Here we are, children. Hey, children, we are back on our topic, that is taking care of elders. Abhi, I want each one of you reading the chapters, and all your siblings must surely take care of the elders, right? हमने लास्ट सेशन में डिस्कस किया था that with growing age many disabilities develop, right? So here are some ways. Today we are going to talk about the ways you can take care of the elderly people, right? इसके अलावा you can have your personal ways to take care of them in every possible method. Clear, children? Let's move on and read our first way. What does it say? It says, spend quality time with them by talking to them and listening to their stories. Children, I think it is the most important and must to do thing if you are living with your elders. What is it? To spend quality time. What is quality time, children? It's your time when you are happy and when you are engrossed in such an activity that makes you as well as them happy. तो क्वालिटी टाइम आपको स्पेंड करना है अपने एल्डर्स के साथ. और आप क्या कर सकते हो? अपनी स्टोरीज उनको बताओ एंड उनकी स्टोरीज सुनो. चिल्ड्रन, दे आर वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड. अपनी पूरी लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस दे कैन शेयर इट विद यू, राइट? ये चीज़ तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा करती हूँ. आई डू इट द मोस्ट दैट आई ask my grandfather, my grandmother to tell me about the mistakes they did in their lives so that I can learn from those mistakes. आप भी ये कर सकते हो. Make sure you're spending some quality time with them. उन्हें कुछ और नहीं चाहिए होता. With the growing age, they just want कि आप उनके साथ कुछ time spend करो. Moving on, children. What is the second thing? Here we are. So the second thing is remind them to take their medicines on time. अब हर पर्सन के साथ जिसकी एज 45 plus, 50 plus, 60 plus, as they reach this age, surely they have some or the other problems that are physical, and surely they are taking some medicines. सबके घर में दादा दादी नाना नानी जिनके भी साथ आप रहते हैं, यू माइट हैव नोटिस्ड कि उनकी किसी भी चीज़ की वो चीज़ें वेरी कर सकती हैं, बट एक मेडिसिन ज़रूर होती है, राइट चिल्ड्रन? तो उनको वो मेडिसिन आपको याद दिलानी है कि दादाजी और दादी जी और व्हाटएवर, प्लीज़ अपनी मेडिसिन टाइम पे लीजिए. इससे क्या होगा? उन्हें भी लगेगा कि देयर इज़ समवन हु केयर्स फॉर मी, देयर इज़ समवन हु लव्स मी. देन वी हैव accompany them during their walks. This is the other thing, children, you can do. आप क्या कर सकते हो? When they go for a walk, you can accompany them. आप उनके साथ जा सकते हो. Walks can be in the form of morning walks, evening walks, walks after your dinner. अगर वो नहीं जा रहे, उनको कहो प्लीज़ मेरे साथ चलिए. That is main intention is, our main intention should be कि हम उनके साथ मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड कर सके, एंड वी कैन मेक देम हैप्पी. वी कैन मेक देम फील दैट दे आर लव्ड एंड दे आर केयर्ड. सो what we have to do, we have to spend quality time with them. We have to listen to their stories. अपनी stories बतानी है हमें उन्हें. उनको याद दिलाना है कि आपको medicines time पे लेनी है. If they have some disease जिसमें they have to take precautions, तो उनको याद दिलाना है कि आपको precautions लेने हैं. For example, you have diabetes, so please don't eat this thing, it contains sugar. Or you have some hypertension problem, so please don't do this thing. ये सब आपको उनको याद दिलाना है. And third thing you have to do is, कहीं भी जाना है, means for a walk if you are going, or for some short distance, maybe to buy something by walk, take them along with you. they feel happy. They're not going to tell you that मेरे को भी साथ में लेके जाओ हर जगह, but surely if you are taking them, they are surely being happy. Okay, so do all that you can do to make your grandparents from both your maternal paternal sides or any elder in your house happy. Okay.